Hi, in this video I am going to share with you one simple strategy on how you can share your Facebook post that you post on your profile, on your story, on your Facebook story. So this is something I don't know you want or not, but I get a request from so many people from so many times, like how did you share your Facebook post, Facebook content from your Facebook profile to your Facebook story. So that's why I am recording this particular video, and for that I am jumping on my mobile screen and I'll show you how it works. And it also work in the laptop, in the system as well. So let's jump on my mobile screen. As you can see right now I am on my Facebook profile, and to share the particular post from my Facebook profile to an story feature, I have to scroll a little bit down. A story feature is right now, this is the story feature, view story. So same as Instagram. So if you can see, this is the particular story feature that I have. So what I need to do is I just need to scroll a little bit down and I have to click on the share button. This is the post. For example, you have to share any post. So I want to share this post, which is a testimonial post, on my screen, on my story part. So what you have to do, click on share and click on the plus button, which is appear on the top of screen. So this is it, and the post is right now available on the story feature, and from here I have to add any kind of text, all the same feature that we used at the time of posting any story. So if you want to add any text, sticker, music, whatever you want to add, you can add by this, and it allows you to zoom in or zoom out of particular post by this. And once you are done with your editing part and you feel like I want to share it, just click on the share button and your story, your post will be shared on your story. Now next thing, if you are using this kind of text on your content, the same thing, okay, let me share with you, the same thing work in the system as well. By using, just you have to click on the share button, and once you click on the share button, the same feature is appear in the system as well, in the computer, in your laptop as well. But when you click on the share to your story, system, laptop will automatically share. You are not able to edit it, or you are not able to zoom in or zoom out like this in system part. System will just share it on your story feature. And the second thing is, if you are going to share from story, the headline that you used by some tools for making them a bold is not visible, and it looks like a boxes on the story part, because I'm not sure why Facebook is not allowed this kind of stuff from when you are sending it to story from laptop or desktop. So that's why if you have a text like this, which is a bold and attractive like this, if you can see, and then this, so this kind of text is not visible when you are sending your post, your using the laptop or desktop. And either once you have to click on the share and it will appear on your story feature. So that's the simple hack that you can implement to share your Facebook post on story feature. That's it. So I hope you get value from this particular video, and I hope now you get clarity on how you can share your post from Facebook to your story feature on the Facebook profile. So I hope, and please do share this video if you think that someone else also need this video, and also please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, so it help my channel to get more visibility. And if you really get value and you get the solution of your problem, just share your biggest takeaways or share your love or whatever you want to share in the comment section, so it give a boost to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Please subscribe.